Um, Lagi kong in-explain sa kanya na ang Ilocos Norte, kung sitio ang pag-uusapan, 100% electrified, electrified ang Ilocos Norte. That's why bago to, no? So bago to, bago ito, so ito ang sitio na wala pa. So ito, kinorientahan na natin. So we will still be 100% uh, elect, um, electrified, no? Energized ang buong probinsya ng Ilocos Norte. Yung mga mangilan-ngilang wala pa, about 1,000 yata yan sa buong probinsya, no? Households yan. Uh, Maraming rason doon, no? But it's not really because of the infrastructure of INET, no? May mga paisa-isa kasi yan, lalo na kung malayo, no? Kung minsan nasa bundok, no? But the governor is really pushing for that, no? In fact, I think he has also a program with INEC also na yung mga talagang hindi namin maabot, iso-solar yon, no? Very basic na solar, may ilaw, uh, may fridge yata if I'm not mistaken, no? Para kasi hindi na viable for, I was explaining to the governor and naintindihan naman niya, hindi na kasi viable yan for INET kung isang bahay lang, somewhere na malayo, para linyahan namin, no? So may isang program din siya doon na yung solar project, no? So I just really want to reiterate, no, the governor is really big on the total electrification of the province of Ilocos Norte. And I think rightly so, no. Ito ang probinsya ng presidente. So dapat lang we lead the example in terms of development, lalo na sa kuryente.